Welcome to the session number 10 from the playlist of oscillations. The topic is the amplitude of the simple harmonic motion. And today I have taken one question which was asked in the IIT mains examination. And the question here is a particle performs a simple harmonic motion, its amplitude is A, its speed is V when its displacement from its mean position is 2 by 3A. So its speed is tripled at the distance 2 by 3A from its mean position. What will be its new amplitude? So we know that the speed of the particles performing simple harmonic motion is given by the formula, that is V is equal to omega under root A square minus Y square, where Y is the displacement from the mean position. So its speed is V when the displacement from its mean position is 2 by 3A. So let us consider now its amplitude is A square minus 2 by 3A whole square. Now in the second case, the speed is getting tripled when it is at a distance of 2 by 3A from its mean position. So 3V is equal to omega under root. Now I am taking the new amplitude as A dash here. So A dash square minus 2 by 3 A whole square. So now this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. So from these two equations we have to find the value of A dash, and A dash is what? It is the new amplitude. So I will be simply squaring this equation number 1 and 2 on both the sides. So I will be getting that V square is equal to omega square in bracket A square minus 4A square by 9, and this second equation will get converted as 9V square is equal to omega square, and this will be equal to A dash square minus again 4A square upon 9. So by dividing these two equations, I will be getting 1 upon 9 is equal to A square minus 4A square upon 9 divided by A dash square minus 4A dash upon 9. Let us say this is the equation number 3. So from equation number 3, I will be getting another equation, that is 1 upon 9 is equal to, if I take the LCM, this will be equal to 9A square minus 4A square, 9A square minus 4A square divided, this will be equal to 9A dash square minus 4A square. So by cross multiplication, I will be getting 9A dash square minus 4A square. This is equal to 81A square minus 36A square. So now from here this will be equal to 9A dash square will be equal to this, if I'm this will be how much? This will be equal to 45A square, and this minus 4A square, when it is taken on the right side, this will be equal to plus 4A square. So this is equal to 49A square. So from here A dash square will be equal to 49 by 9A square, or we can say that A dash will be equal to under root of this 49 by 9A square. So this is equal to 7 by 3A. So the new amplitude will be equal to 7 by 3a. That is the correct option is B. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with a different topic from the same chapter, that is oscillations. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.